What's up, Liberty? What you doing? Hi. You just love doing that, don't you? You like coming up here to say hi?
Yeah, you move.
Yeah? You like coming up here to say hi, don't you? Yes. Goose. Y'all jealous because I'm petting the goat? Ooh, Goose, you better watch out. How is everybody doing today? We have some really good news. Since we have fixed the road to where we can actually get out, we found two 1,500-gallon water tanks, storage tanks in Coeur d'Alene. So we are headed there right now to go pick those up. And today will be a good day to, well, we have no choice, but today will be the day that we drive the truck on the highway after getting stuck in the washed out road. If you haven't seen that video, it'll be right here. And fingers crossed, everything will be fine and we have no issues with the truck. Anything happens, we'll let you know. If nothing happens, we'll let you know. All right, so we're on the highway and thumbs up. So far, so good. The truck is feeling good. If anything, we were thinking the alignment might be off, but so far, Stuart's not feeling anything out of the ordinary. So, thank goodness. We'll just keep on driving down the highway.
If anything, it fixed the alignment.
That's good news. Thank goodness we didn't. There's nothing major going on with the truck. Knock on wood.
Woohoo!
Take it all the way up so you can see.
Yeah, let me get these straps going on real quick.
Right. Get lined up on it and then hold off.
Oh, that's cheating. You can't do that.
Right?
That's
Alright,
being
stop there.
out of the box thinking.
I saw this on freaking YouTube and I'm like, you've got to be kidding me. Why haven't I thought of this before? Okay, we're good, man.
Because we're not the smart ones to do that.
Yeah, right?
All right. Go ahead. So forward. Right there. Stop. Okay. Horse down.
Your straps are gonna go around that?
Probably not.
Probably not. I got some rope that we can hook up to finish up.
Hold on. That's up there. Black cup is in the mark. So really on the plastic.
You need help?
Us men are beyond
All right, guys.
help.
You have a great day.
Oh, no, I was asking him if he needed my help. Oh.
But us men are always beyond help.
Yeah, no shit.
That's what my wife has always told me. We're beyond help.
Everybody out of the way?
Yep. Ha ha!
Just like that. Oh.
Are you ready?
Yep. Good to go, my man.
Thank you.
I appreciate it, sir.
First day,
Just passed your test.
just passed my test.
Bam! Give me a big thumbs up. Holy smokes, there's too much ice. So anyway, we picked up the second tank. We have both tanks on the property now. It's awesome, awesome news. Yeah, we're super excited about being able to score these tanks. Little backstory, we started looking for more tanks at the end of last summer, maybe middle of summer, into last summer, or sometime around there. And we were just having awful luck. And throughout the winter, we were keeping an eye out on Home Depot and North 40 locally here in Sandpoint, but never saw any. And if they did get any in, I'm sure they sold right away. We contacted North 40 in Sandpoint, and we tried to do a special order with them, and customer service wasn't that great. That's all I'm going to say about that. They were supposed to return our phone calls a few times. Stuart would have to call them, and then after the last time where they said they were going to call to find out pricing or when they could be shipped, or to help work out the logistics for us, they didn't call back. So we decided not to go with them, and I told Stuart, I'm like, let's call North 40 in Coeur d'Alene. Their store is much bigger than the one here in Sandpoint, so maybe we'll luck out. And Stuart called them, and they said they had 4 tanks available, and we were like, score, can you hold 2 of them for us, and we'll come down and pay for them both. We can pick up one now, and then pick up the last one like in the week or something like that. And they said, yeah, no problem. So we did that, and we went to go pick up the first tank and pay for them, and the other 2 that they had already sold. So we were really lucky that we called when we did. So yeah, they're both home now. This is liquid gold for the homestead. We're super excited. We'll have 4,500 gallons of water on the property to add up, to these 2 will be added to the tank we already have up there. So it's just a matter of getting them filled up, and if we can keep them full throughout the summer, we'll have water all winter long. So our next step that Stuart's going to be working on is removing the snow to get up to the tank. So you can see right here, he needs to remove the snow here, going all the way up to the tank that you can see over there underneath that tree. So that'll be the next step, and then it's a matter of hopefully we can work the ground sooner rather than later. Everything, the ground is still frozen right now, so we want to bury the tanks. And from what we're seeing online, we wanted to do one big hole and just bury all 3 in one hole, but from what we're seeing online, everybody says don't do that, don't do that. We don't know why, but we're gonna go with the recommendation and do one hole per tank. So we should be golden. It's a score. We're super excited about it. Our goal is to be self-sufficient, and this is one step closer to being more self-sufficient. Super excited. I hope you guys are enjoying our journey. in our videos. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.